All right, welcome back to the Jason Gray Show. Hope you're all doing well today. Let's talk about Tesla stock. Let's talk about near-term and long-term stock prices. No financial advice. Last 2 days, last week has been a little bit rough for all of us. I agree. Let's just talk about what's sort of going to happen going forward here and some catalysts that I think is going to bring the stock forward. There are talks that, the stock price could make it down to 120 a share, and that might be a little difficult for some of you, right? Try to stay off margin. If you're buying these stocks, try not to get on margin, please. Just put into the account what you can afford. Margins are really tough. The after earnings call was hard to listen to. It almost seemed like they didn't have the correct answers or the prepared answers ready to go. And I think this should have just been like right on the tip of their tongues. And I think it might be really a good idea for Tesla to get a PR person who can just talk about Tesla stock, answer questions, and just go through what Elon is dealing with. I think the people that are speaking at the call is just lack of energy, they're all knowledgeable people, don't get me wrong, but how the message is coming through doesn't create a lot of confidence. And I think having that right person that can answer the right questions is really important. So I think that's number one. Number two, let's look going forward here a little bit. We're starting to see a little bit of the mega packs coming into the earnings, and that's going to show some positive results here over the next couple quarters. I think the next big catalyst, though, I think between now and then is really the Cybertruck. Let's be real. Sightings of the Cybertruck, production of the Cybertruck, it's going to get everyone excited, and I think that's going to be the next catalyst to sort of spur it on. In the next, 60, 90 days might be a real-life struggle, and so just be prepared for that. It's interesting how the major Tesla bulls that are on YouTube or talk about Tesla stocks really hype it up, I think, too far as well. I get caught in it. I'm sure you all get caught in it as well. We all have to be a little realistic. When you're hearing some of these guys predicting, $113 a share, and it comes in at 84 cents, right where the street was at. I mean, the numbers were right in line with where the streets were at. It's just the sales year over year came down 20%, and that's because they just dropped all their prices. And what it's creating with the cars is creating, the car's way more affordable than it ever has been. Plus, you get the tax credit that is out there for $7,500, all on all the models other than the X and Y and the very baseline Model 3. And on the baseline Model 3, at least you're still getting $3,750 as a tax credit. So I think that next catalyst is really a Cybertruck. Continued news coming out of Tesla is daily. It's just, like I said, it's shocking on how much information comes out every day with information about what Tesla's doing, what they're building. And you remember, everyone, they're scaling. So maybe chalk up 2023 as the year of them laying a good foundation for the next 5 or 10 or 15 years. And I know they're going to continue to make more megapack plants, more gigafactories. All that stuff's going to come out. But in doing so, maybe we consider this maybe a foundation year. I was hoping towards the end of 2002 that things would sort of, calm down in early 2023 when the megapack numbers came in, that the stock would be taking some advantages there in regards to seeing that thing grow. Morgan Stanley came out today and said that their year-end price target is $185. Gary Black's is at $315 though. So, that's a huge difference in regards to price target by the end of the year between those two really big players. And so continue to watch everyone's videos in regards to what they're hearing on the street. But man, between the Cybertruck and I think Elon at the end of this year releasing his CEO position of Twitter, I think that will be some two really major catalysts for the stock. Unfortunately, his rocket went up today. Went up for about 3 or 4 minutes and then blew up. But they said they got a lot of data out of that. Sounds like they're going to do another rocket here in a couple months. Those rockets, by the way, were about 4 football fields tall. So just think about that, how big those things are. Those things are crazy big. All in all, today was a rough day for most of us. I took it on the chin pretty well. Let's just sort of see how everyone does. Stock's about flat at after closing right now. So let's sort of see if we can build off of this. Maybe we can build back up to that 180 mark and see if we can eventually get back to that 200 mark. I keep on saying that 205 mark is really, it seems like we hit that and we bounced back down a couple times. So I think that's a pretty big level of resistance. So be careful, it gets around 205 and see what happens after that. Anyways, like and subscribe. Hope you're liking the content. Give me your comments below about the Tesla stock. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.